Good afternoon. We're standing in front of a train in Prince George. The train is owned by CNR, which means Canadian National Railway. These containers likely came from Asia and they're going to America via Prince George and the central CNR line in British Columbia, because it's a little closer than going to Vancouver or Seattle or San Francisco. My father worked for the railway for many years, so did several of my uncles. And I worked one summer here in the CNR yard. My father was a train dispatcher for many years. He started as a teenager working in the Canadian prairies for the railway, and he traveled a lot. And he took care of train stations and told trains when to pull over to the siding so that they would let another train go by. Plus he did other things too with a station agent. Took care of the cash, sold tickets and checked baggage. Sometimes they even handle the payroll for companies that had large workforces in small towns.
Are we in downtown Prince George?
Yeah, we're downtown Prince George basically, and the railway goes through the downtown area, and there's two rivers that meet near the downtown. In fact, if you look across the other side of the train, you'd see the cut banks, which is where the river cuts into the hillside. This thing in front of us here, I think, is called a switch with a handle on it. That's what they use to move the train from one track to another. But I'm not sure if it's being used because I don't see another. Oh, there's a track further ahead to the right.
Ooh, look at those. Are those doves or what?
I think so, yeah.
Lots of doves flying.
So this is a very mild day today in Prince George. We've had a lot of snow, but it's 6 above right now, so it's really slippery where we're parked.
Yes.
Have to be careful not to fall and get wet and hurt myself.
Oh, it's moving. The train is moving.
The train is going to move now. So they got a powerful set of engines at one end, pulling all those cars.
It's moving now.
The train.
Where are they going now?
Well, I guess they're going out of town, or they're doing something. I don't know.
In any cities of Prince George, or what's
Well, they're traveling through Prince George. They might have changed the train crews. They got new drivers for the train.
It's moving, yay!
And they're on their way maybe to Edmonton or Calgary or somewhere.
So those are shipping. What's that? Dongfa. It look like mostly are China.
Yeah, they could be, alright.
You see that? China shipping.
Some of them have fewer wheels. They share a set of wheels on each car.
Costco. We don't have Costco in the Philippines.
Well, it's different than the retail store. It's a container company. There's no T in the word.
K-Lines, China shipping. Costco. This is long train, so long train. Mostly are Costco here. Costco shipping. This goes for Costco and CMA, CGM. Bamboo flooring. So we are here. Gonna show you all the views here. And what is that? Across the street.
Well, it's just a warehouse or a shop type building.
auto,
commercial
automatic transmission.
property. So they have car repair places and other things there. Anyway, I'm going back in the truck.
Okay guys, thank you. Be careful there, it's slippery, icy. It's icy there. You have to be careful when you walk when it's icy. Now it's stopped. Or maybe a traffic somewhere. Haha! Oh, it's moving again. Okay, now back to the car. I have to be very careful with this. So this is the road highway here in downtown. There's no traffic, no car. There are some car, but not unlike in the Philippines. Sorry guys, on my I was walking on the icy road here and it almost make me fell down.